What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. You will be seeing this after the Bowling Green truck jam video. Hope y'all enjoyed that one. We had a blast there. We feel like we did kind of neglect the camera, but we're trying to work on that, trying to work on our filming skills. But today's going to kind of just be a tag along kind of vlog type. We've actually got the LB7 hooked up to the gooseneck that pulled it to the truck show because this truck now has insurance and we can legally drive it. So anywho, we're gonna go.
Not that we was illegally driving.
No, we wasn't illegally driving.
What did he say?
We are now completely legal to drive it out on the road. So we've got the gooseneck hooked up and we're headed to Temple Hill to drop it off. And then I guess I really don't know what else is going on today. It's currently 12:08. I have in Bowling Green 2:30. So just tag along for the ride and we're gonna see what we can get into. This thing collapsed.
This sounds good.
That is exactly why we have named this truck Clapper. I do have my big camera set up that I need to film rollers. I want to film rollers with this truck and get some good pictures and videos because we haven't done that yet. And I also went down, it was like a 40-minute drive for me, and I bought a set of burnout wheels. So than it is like a practical daily driver. Hunter has very grown to love this truck.
It's a piece of junk.
But it's a fun piece of junk.
But it that's what's enjoyable about it, is that it's junk.
And I'm gonna give my honest opinion on this. I would much rather prefer to have a truck like this than a brand new L5P like mine.
Really?
One, it's an older truck. You don't care about it as much. So like, you don't care at all to just, not necessarily beat on it like crazy, but you can not care about like the scratches in it. You really don't care about the dents in it. It's like with my truck, I've got a dent in the bed. It bothers the crap out of me. All the scratches in it bothers the crap out of me. It just, you get so much money in a truck and you really can't enjoy it. But this one, not a lot of money in it. And it's very enjoyable.
I don't really know how fast we're going, but the gauge says 75. Finally legal, can drive it legally. Not that we wasn't, but
we're going 74.
70, yeah, that's right, 70.
We really don't know if we want to see it legal. Because we pretty much, I know this isn't like a big YouTube channel, by all means, but we love filming. And it's just kind of like what, there's endless possibilities of what videos we can produce with this truck. Like there's so much.
156 trans temp, 198 engine temp. Oil pressure don't read on the gauge, so I don't know if we got oil pressure.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can really tell, but none of the gauges really work. So we took my edge monitor that I used to have on my cat eye. What we need to do is we need to get one of those 360 cameras to put on the back. Next day, here we are in Clapper again, just kind of goofing off. We both kind of got stuff to do today, but we're taking time this morning to, I I don't know. We're just goofing on. Golly, son.
Sorry, y'all.
Jesus. So we have made it to Mexico, long straight stretch, and we're gonna get rowdy. And you'll get to see Clapper do a big burnout, and then you'll also get to see Hunter's dad in his GMC. I can let him give you a full rundown on his truck because they just turboed it not too long ago. Well, we was about to do a burnout and I was not filming. Hunter started laying an absolute heater, and as you can tell, he blew a boot. So we have made it back to Brett's, and we're gonna throw this boot back on. We're gonna put it back on, go back, and lay another one, just for y'all. So stay tuned.